So hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a bit of time since the last miniature update on the Angry Canary, which is over there. So in the meantime, I do get a lot of messages, which I'm grateful for. Various different people offering me opportunities on different cars, that sort of thing. So I was buying parts for the Angry Canary, and yeah, he said, well, why didn't you just buy the car? And I thought, you know what? Why not? So let's have a little walk around and have a look and see what I've got and what I'm going to do with it. So the situation with this car is it was crashed. I'm not sure whose fault it was, whatever it may be. So it's damaged. So I'll put a picture up now of the damage. So as you can see, it's a bit messy. So on face value, on the face of it, it needs a bonnet, it needs a replacement wing. It's probably going to need the wing bracket, but I have a wing. I have a passenger side wing. So I thought to myself, well, I've got all the parts to put this car back together and back on the road fairly quick, save it from the scrapyard. So it is a coffin dodger, and put it up for sale for someone to enjoy it, providing that I can get it fairly presentable. It's a very, very, very quirky car. So it's got a very substantial splitter. It has one of those grills. To be fair, I might swap that out. And typically, being a red car, it's suffering badly with lack appeal. You can see it there. Headlights going to do a little bit of a polish. I'm probably going to paint those bottom grills because they're looking a bit worse for wear. And it has the V6 Ronalds on it. That still could possibly do a change, but I'm not going to do that because, as I say, I'm literally just going to put it back on the road. And then round the back, it's got that diffuser. There's the exhaust. So it's like the V6 one, but these are quite rare. I've never actually seen one in real life. I've seen pictures of them. So yes, that's pretty cool. It's got black TT badge there, which is not an original one. I think that's a Mark II badge, so I might swap that for a proper one. It's also got a carbon lip. This is what I was actually going to buy for the Angry Canary, but it's on here now. Fuel cap, I'm going to swap that out with the one I painted for the Angry Bird. The roof works, all the lights work. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the lights yet, whether I'm going to put the black ones on, because the black ones I've got for the TT actually came off this car. So yeah, it did have that interior in the car before, but he sold all the interior, someone else. I'm guessing the reason why this door card is still on the car is because that, I've tried getting it off. Yeah, I'm going to have to get something a bit more heavy duty because that is mashed up. So it is a very tricky car. So first thing is, it's got a custom exhaust, so I will insert cold start now. So, have the replacement door cards. Just got my standard black ones. Picked them up from the TT Shop Blackburn. Always good service there. So, you don't need to see me installing a door card because I'm sure you've all seen that before. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. Obviously, there's no seat there. And that is one door card on. So, replacement bracket, replacement wing, damage wing. So, this headlight out. Get the car jacked up and then take off those bolts. The bracket in there is absolutely shot to bits, and then just get these 6 off on the top. Now again, this is not something you're really actually going to see, but I'm going to paint it anyway. So I've got my colour match paint from Paint Nuts. So the actual car colour, mistakenly, myself and a couple of others thought it was Misano red, but it's not. It's actually brilliant red. Might even be on here. Yeah, there's your paint code. Interesting. So there's 4 variants of red. So give this a good shake. I'll give that some tough black on the inside, and then yeah. But we'll get this one done first. It's been said many times, but there we go. That is what is behind this specific arse liner. Lovely big pile of mud. So, said it before, lots of people have said it. Clean it up when you get a chance, even if you're not changing wings. Just get the wheel off and keep it clean. Helps you prevent from rust. Well, it's certainly a bit more bent than I thought there was going to be. That's meant to be upright. That is bent. And so is that. Yeah. Well, I'll have to see if I need to swap it. Yeah, that's all mangled. Funny enough, that's actually not too bad. But that, you can see that, that's bent in, that's meant to be over here somewhere. So if we take a look underneath the engine cover, Pro-Ram air filter, silicone hoses for days pretty much. All new hoses down there as well. And yeah, a little quirky touch of yellow. He was going with the yellow and black scheme. I think I'm probably just going to change that one for a black one. That's the cover itself. Zoom in. So yeah, I think I'll just put a plain one on. That, wipe it, polish it, that'll come back up. Polished inlet, it's nice. Yeah. But it's a well sorted engine anyway. I can't remember what I did with the cover for this, to be honest. But I should probably put it in the boot. But we'll see. But yeah, so that's the engine. As I say, nice and tidy. So now I'm just getting these bolts put back in, and then I got to get this washer bottle put back. I mean, that looks alright to me, that. Nice and tidy job. I mean, obviously, this wing needs proper painting and doing, but that's all straight there now. I need to put those in for the front bumper. Those 2 there, but I'll do that after I've finished off getting this flipping line straight for this wing. So that's the engine bay put back together. I changed the grille because I prefer something a little bit different. So yeah, gonna be a Marmite thing, but yeah, I just didn't like the other one. But it's down to taste. I mean, obviously when I sell it, the person who buys will have a choice of what grill they want, but for the time being, I think that's pretty cool. Done the bottoms down there as well, and now on that side. So yeah, all good. So we're going to get packed up. Next thing to do is get the interior fitted. So that'll be for the next video, I think. But otherwise, good progress. Yeah, just needs a good bath. But all in all, I think it was worth saving. You have to let me know what you guys think. But otherwise, I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.